Hi, Kevin from Snowy's Outdoors here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Dometic Waeco CFX 75 litre fridge. 2 compartments, 40 litres on this side, 35 litres on the other side, can be operated independently or separately. Great fridge for family outings, bigger family outings or longer trips. Okay, so while we've got the lid up, let's look inside. This side is your 40 litre compartment. You've got a removable basket here that comes out, makes for easier cleaning and getting to those things at the bottom. You also have a divider. You've got a light up here on the side to illuminate the inside, and there's a plug down the bottom there which you can take out for draining. Over this side here, you've got the smaller 35 litre compartment. Once again, a removable basket. Now this one has 2 baskets. That one comes out. You can see we've got another basket down the bottom. Bung down the bottom once again for removing, for cleaning, and the light on the side there also to illuminate the inside of the fridge. The overall length of this fridge is 88 centimetres long. It's got an overall height of about 47 centimetres and a width of 48 centimetres. Now the dimensions of these 2 compartments, length and width, is the same. This way you've got 38 centimetres and this way you've got 33 centimetres. That one's exactly the same as far as length and width goes. The depth of both of these fridges is 35 centimetres. However, this compartment just here is only 13 centimetres high. Now the outside of the case is made out of polypropylene. It's a dent resistant case. On the end here you've got nylon and steel handles with stainless steel components. The wall is 5 centimetres thick all the way around, and the divider as well, and it contains a CFC-free polyurethane foam insulation. Now one of the main features of this fridge is that the lid can be removed and can also be swapped over to the other side. So all you need to do is just bend it over backwards, take the fridge off, the lid off the fridge. You've got stainless steel hinges there and there, stainless steel pins there and there. These pins can be unscrewed and positioned over this side, as can that set of post. Both lids have to go over to the other side. You can't have one lid opening to the left and one lid opening to the right. So both lids have to be swapped over. Once you've got them swapped over, or you've cleaned the lid, put the hinge back on again, set the back on the top, give it a bit of a bump down like that, and there it is, ready to go again. So this fridge will take 113 cans of your favourite brew, or probably a good dozen bottles of your favourite wine. So they both fit in there quite nicely, both the lids shut down, and you're ready to go. Now this fridge has all of its controls and plugs on one end, which is the other end of the fridge. So I'll just turn that around to show you. This one up here has a dimmable digital display. You've got your on and off switch over here, and you've got your temperature controls over here. Now you might know that there's 2 temperature ratings. That's for the 2 separate compartments of the fridge. So you would choose one of them, set the temperature at that, hit the button set, and then choose the other one up or down to the temperature rating and hit that button there. This fridge will operate between 10 degrees and minus 22 degrees Celsius. It also has a little power light up there and a warning light there just in case a problem comes up. Now this fridge is Wi-Fi compatible, so you can download an app onto your phone. That way you can operate the fridge with your phone, wandering around the campfire. You don't have to keep coming back to the car and double check what it's doing. It also has 3-stage battery protection, which is a way to keep your battery safe. So you can set it so that it'll turn itself off before it flattens your batteries at 3 different levels. That way you can start your car in the morning without any worries. Okay, down here we've got the compressor compartment. In here we've got a genuine Waeco compressor. It pulls while it's running about 2.9 amps with a maximum draw of about just over 9 amps when it's starting off. So here we've got 2 power inlets. So you've got your 240 volt plug there, which is just grab the plug, goes in there very easily, and over the other side you've got your 12 and 24 volt plug there. Now this one goes in here just as easily, but the important thing to note is there's a fuse in this plug. So in case there's a problem with a short, it'll blow the fuse and not damage the fridge. You've also got here a little switch which is your emergency override. So all you have to do with that is slip it across. What happens there is if there's any problems with the operation of the fridge, it bypasses the control panel and allows the fridge to operate as a freezer. Now you will control the temperature then by turning the fridge on and off, and you can continue to do that until you get it somewhere where it can be repaired. Once that's been sorted out, you slide that switch back again and it goes back to normal operation. Above that you can see there's a little USB port. Now that's simply so you can plug in something like your phone or your camera and charge it up while the fridge has got power. Just saves you having lots of cables running around the car. The weight of this fridge comes in at 31 kilos, so it's a much bigger fridge than the others. It has a warranty of 5 years, which is a 3+2 warranty. So 3 years on the cabinet and electronics, plus another 2 years for the compressor, which is covered by parts only. We're also selling this fridge a free insulated cover. Now this you put over the fridge, adds to the insulation, gives the fridge a little bit more protection from the elements, a bit more efficiency. Okay, so that's the CFX 75 litre dual zone fridge. If you want any more information on this fridge, go to our website www.snowies.com.au, where we offer fast, free delivery to most parts of Australia. So that's all from me, so bye for now.